Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. You are welcome back to our channel, Afro Natural, where we talk natural ingredients. We look at natural health, natural beauty, and natural recipes. Today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a natural ingredient, just one ingredient that you must have in your house if you call yourself an African man or a woman. For all Afro naturals, this is an ingredient that you must have at home. It is very natural, and we are going to be discussing the health benefits of these ingredients. There are so many other usefulness of these ingredients. We have the spiritual usefulness, but today we are going to be looking at the health benefits, because the health benefits far outweighs the spiritual. So we are going to be looking at the health benefits of this ingredient, and the ingredient is just palm kernel oil. Palm kernel oil. It is very simple. A lot of people are not aware of this. What is palm kernel oil? Palm kernel oil is a nut gotten from, palm kernel oil is gotten from the nut of a palm tree that has seed inside. That seed inside is the kernel, and if you process it properly, now locally, if you process it locally, then you get the oil, and the oil is usually black in color. Not black, but I would say dark, very darkish brown in color. This is an example. This is an oil. This is an oil. It's a black oil. This is the palm kernel oil I'm talking about. So what are the benefits? The benefits are many. Number one, you can use it to cure temperature. When your children are having high temperature, just use this oil. Give them just one teaspoonful, 1 teaspoon to drink. Once they drink 1 teaspoon, then take like 10 mils to rub, put it in your hand to rub their body from head to their feet. I bet you if you can do it this way, temperature will go. This one is very cool. A lot of people know this, except maybe those who are in the diaspora, but most Africans are aware of this. That's number one. Number two, you can use it to treat malaria fever. At the onset of malaria fever, if you discover you have fever, it might be you, it might be your children. If you discover you have malaria, just start taking this. Take 1 teaspoon in the morning, 1 teaspoon in the afternoon, 1 teaspoon at night. Or if you cannot take it 3 times, just take it in the morning and at night. Just 1 teaspoon is okay. But if you are grown up very well, you can use 1 big spoon or 2 teaspoons is okay. Another health benefit of palm kernel oil is that you can use this to treat eczema. In my language we call it eczema. Eczema is like something you have on your body, like discoloration or some part of your body. Most times it is caused by fungal, bacteria, and the rest. Maybe you are using a dirty towel or your underwear is dirty sometimes. So you can use this. How do you use this? Just get 1 teaspoon of palm kernel oil. You mix it with 1 teaspoon of sulfur. You have to grind the sulfur. Then you mix it. You form a paste with it. Then use it to rub the affected part. You do it every night before you go to sleep. Every night. At least you do it for 7 days. By 7 days, a week, it will have gone and it will go forever. But if the eczema is much, you can be using it once you see everything goes away. Another health benefit of palm kernel oil is it treats body odor. If you have body odor or you know anybody with body odor, just get 1 teaspoon of palm kernel oil, mix it with 1 teaspoon of sulfur, grounded sulfur, mix it together to form a paste. Then you apply it on your armpit. morning, night. If you apply it, you leave it there for 20 to 30 minutes, then you rinse off. You can do this for 7 days. 1 week is enough. It will go. But if it is a spiritual attack, some body odors are caused by spiritual attacks. If it's a spiritual attack, you can be doing that at the same time. You be taking 1 spoon every night. That will do a lot of wonder. Again, another health benefit of palm kernel oil is that it lower blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, it lower high blood pressure. It lowers it, and it will lower it. It does not have side effect. It does not cause any harm. It will lower it. All you need to do is start taking 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon every night before you go to bed. Every night. Or in some cases, you might take it in the morning and at night. You'll be taking this till you start noticing that the thing has subsided very well. This works effectively. This one it will save you a lot of money. Because instead of buying drugs and the rest, when the money is not even there, this will save you a lot of money. Another benefit also is that of palm kernel oil is that it boosts your immune. If you take it very well every time, it boosts your immune. And once it boosts your immune, then you don't get sick easily. It also is an anti-aging. It has anti-aging property. You don't get old easily. Just continue to take it every day in the night before you go to bed. Every day, 1 teaspoon every night. Does not cost you anything. Is an oil. Just use it. It boosts your immune very well. You might also want to, after taking the oil, you might take warm water. Just take warm water or tea. Just take warm water for the oil to dissolve very well, so that it even aids digestion. You won't have indigestion problem, no constipation and the rest. So the last but not the least that I want to talk about is it is good anti-poisoning. It is very good for anti-poisoning. When you feel you've been poisoned, or your child or your household, some member of your household has been poisoned, then just give that person 1 tablespoon of this oil. 1 tablespoon of oil, just of the palm kernel oil. Just give that person 1 tablespoon of palm kernel, and use the rest to just make sure you rub the body. Make sure you rub every part of that person's body. The poison will go away. The poison will not have any effect. And if you do it early, quickly, before the poison starts disturbing, then this is going to be very, very effective. I know you gained 1 or 2 things from this palm kernel oil. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. Subscribe, share this video, let others benefit. Let them benefit from this recipe, so that they can also give it to others. Let this video get to so many people, so that others will enjoy what you are enjoying. Subscribe, press the notification bell, so that when next I post videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Until I come your way again, remain blessed.